In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a custom field in Asana. Custom fields are a powerful way to tailor Asana to match the way your team actually works, instead of being limited to just the default columns and details. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a custom field and get it ready for use in any project. First, start by opening Asana and selecting the project where you want to add your custom field. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or team, then click into the specific project from your home or sidebar. This is important because the field you create will be associated with this project and its tasks. Once your project is open, look toward the upper right area of the screen for the Customize button. Go ahead and click Customize. This panel is where you control a lot of the structure of your project, including layouts, rules, and most importantly for us, fields. Inside the Customize panel, find and click on the section labeled Fields. This is where you can see all existing fields that are already applied to your project, such as priority, status, or any fields your team has created before. It's basically the control center for what extra information you want to track on each task. Next, click on the Add button within the Fields section. This tells Asana that you want to include another field in this project. You'll usually see options to choose from existing fields or to start fresh. For this tutorial, we're going to create a completely new custom field, so select Create New. This ensures you're building a field from scratch with the exact label and options that fit your workflow, such as client type, complexity, or stage. You'll now see a place to type in the field title. Click into that title box and enter a clear, descriptive name. Think about how your teammates will understand it at a glance, and keep it short but meaningful, since this label will appear directly on your tasks. If your field type includes options, such as a drop-down, you will then type in the option names. For example, if you're creating a priority field, your options might be high, medium, on, and low. Add each option one by one, making sure the wording is consistent and easy to scan. When you're happy with the title and the options you've set up, go ahead and click Create Field. As soon as you do that,